This is becoming one of our favorite color combinations on the 2025 Shelby F-150s. We've done it on the Super Snake F-150. Now here it is in the off-road 785 horsepower Shelby F-150 truck. Iconic silver, blue stripes, a great contrast, and a different build than we normally do. This is 785 horsepower, a limited production truck, all the iconic names that you come to love. Shelby, Ford, Whipple, BORLA, you name it, this thing has got all of the features. This is an upgraded 3.5-inch lift from BDS. You've also got an incredible Fox upgraded shock system that makes the ride totally plush, whether you're on-road or off-road. With the dual speed controls, you can make all those adjustments as you need it. That Whipple supercharger, 3-liter, amazing, incredible performance, and our upgraded tune this year makes this one of the sportiest and most fun to drive Shelby F-150 trucks we've ever had. Enjoy the plush new upgraded interior, that leather seat covers, and our carbon fiber interior accents. This truck is out of this world. This is the 2025 Shelby F-150 off-road, 785 horsepower in iconic silver with blue stripes.